Mew Coin is taking over the crypto space. Can the cat coins really flip the dog coins? That's what we're talking about today. Will Mew Flip DogWifHat maybe even become a top meme coin in the crypto space? Well, welcome back to the 99B YouTube channel. I'm your host Umar Khan, and today that's exactly what we're discussing, whether Mew will be able to flip DogWifHat and other meme coins alike. Before we start the video, I want to ask, if you haven't already, do make sure you smash that subscribe button to stay tuned with the latest and greatest crypto news. Overall, crypto markets are looking pretty decent, up about 0.5% on the day, 35% in terms of volume, which is nuts. Fear and greed index looking pretty solid at a 62% greed, not too shabby. We've been seeing greed for a couple weeks now, which is great to see. We see Bitcoin up about 1% on the day. Ethereum currently sitting at $3,700, which is not bad. Actually, Bitcoin earlier today was dancing in the $70,000 range, hopefully setting up for an all-time high. Now, the reason why this is so important, guys, is when Bitcoin does well, so do the meme coins and altcoins. So that's the main reason why I always bring it up in these videos, is we're always watching Bitcoin carefully, and we can see Bitcoin $100,000 is imminent, and we can see a pattern drawn formation. We're currently over here, and these are the levels that we'll hit, which is again very possible. It's kind of predicting to be sometime between like July and October, which again, we're all waiting patient to see what happens. But today we're talking about Mew token. That's been a very popular token over on the crypto space. We see on the week up about 2%, on the month we're down about 6%. When we look at the year or even the all, we're up 127%. We've made some significant gains over the past couple of weeks. Yeah, we had some higher all-time highs, which is great because the setup is definitely coming. I was just looking at Mew recently and seeing, less than $500 million market cap, massive community. This project has potential. Looking over at X, we can see almost 100,000 followers. So cat in a dog's world. Mew on Solana, and we see they had some partners with Loki's Animation Studios, creating some 3D animation series, which is pretty cool. Again, just a way to connect with the community, and that has over 1.3 million views and over 1,000 shares, which is insane, right? They're pretty active on Twitter as well, which is very important for these meme coins to really grow the tokens and really grow their community. Talking about growing a community, guys, let's take a look at Play Doge, a new token currently on pre-sale right now, and that's Play Doge, the best play to earn Doge companion. Do you remember Tamagotchi? Well, what if we make Tamagotchi and Dogecoin, put it together? We get this amazing play to earn style game. And here's a really cool thing: Play Doge is coming very soon for download, and I believe it's also going to be mobile, which is pretty insane. Play through the Play Doge app with your digital Doge companion and form a bond that will never break. Use Play Doge tokens to activate play to earn rewards for keeping your Doge healthy and beating game levels. We see they already raised $1.6 million in literally the past 2 weeks. They're going to have a price hike, so if you buy now, those will prepare you at all-time low prices and get you a great deal. Feature a ton of different articles. We see about Play Doge. It's a mobile game that integrates a legendary Tamagotchi virtual pet concept into a new digital economy of crypto. Absolutely solid there. They have a solid roadmap with 4 phases. They have their tokenomics, which looked pretty solid as well. We see pre-sale 50%, community 7.5%, 11.5% for liquidity, 12.5% to marketing, 12.5% to the project funds, and 6% for staking, because yes, they have staking as well. So it's a very well put together token, guys. Very similar to how we saw Dogeverse. We're talking about Dogeverse a lot on the channel, and it absolutely crushed the pre-sale. It's gonna go live any day now and absolutely crush. So if you haven't already, you might want to add this to your checklist, or at least go check out the website, link in the description below. But back to Mew Coin as it's taken over. Cat in a dog world, Mew price prediction. People are getting excited. Asking ChatGPT if Mew can become the biggest meme coin 2024. Because here's the thing, the cats are definitely taking a stake at it. Even when we're looking at CoinMarketCap, right, and we see the top meme coins. Most of these meme coins are dogs. Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, DogWifHat, Floki, Boom. We can see Dog Go to the Moon. And then, yes, we have the anomaly of Pepe, and we also have the anomaly of Book of Meme. But other than that, right, cat in the dog's world is the closest to the top that's not a dog related token. That being said, if this momentum continues, we could easily see this hit $1 billion market cap, which would make us a solid bag as holders. We even see that they partner with KuCoin. So partnering with Mew Worlds, take part in our specialized quiz campaign to win a portion of a massive 1 million in Mew tokens. That's absolutely insane. So having a tier 1 listing is definitely going to help the cause of this project. Like always, guys, this is not financial advice, but let me know how you guys are feeling about Mew token in the comment section below. Are you bullish? Are you bearish? Do you think Mew token could flip the likes of DogWifHat and become a top meme coin in the space? I want to hear your thoughts, opinions, concerns in the comment section below. Are you bullish? Are you bearish? I want to hear it all. That wraps up the video. Until next time, it's your friend Umar. Peace.